and gentlemen, for the final set of awards, can I please request Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani, the Chairman and Managing Director of Reliance Industries, to come on stage, please, and give away the next and final set of awards. 5 real heroes, ladies and gentlemen, are being awarded in the category of social welfare. P. Shanta Kumar, can we have you on stage, please?
P. Shanta Kumar. Accident victims, pavement dwellers, the old, poor and abandoned. In Coimbatore, the mortuary at the General Hospital was acting as a storehouse for many unclaimed bodies. Until one day, Shanta Kumar, a flower contractor, decided to give these people dignity in death. In 2004, Shanta Kumar, along with 3 more flower sellers, set up the Tolar Trust. In the past 8 years, they've performed 1,500 funerals.
Dignity in death. That in itself is a concept which perhaps we all miss. The need to give someone a dignified funeral. If you can very quickly tell us what this means to you.
அப்படிங்கிற பெயர்ல கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 7 ஆண்டுகளாக இந்த பணிகளை செஞ்சுட்டு வரோம்.
He says a mother who with such difficulty has given birth to a child to be abandoned in her when she at death is something that he couldn't see happening, and he found that there were a number of such cases at the Coimbatore General Hospital, and all they required was a few hundred rupees to get a funeral done. And that's when he and a group of friends came together to do this.
Time now to call our next real hero, Pabitra Rabha. Can we have you on stage, please?
Pabitra Rabha. 40 dwarfs from across Assam are part of the world's only all-dwarfs theatre group called Dapon. Pabitra Rabha, founder of Dapon, gave up a lucrative stint in theatre and films to start this unique experiment in Tongla in Assam.
एक इंसान होने के नाते जो आदमियों से मिलना जो एक कॉन्फिडेंट होता है, so वो चेंज सबसे बड़ी है.
Today, through theatre, these little actors have found respect, dignity, and a means to earn their living.
अच्छा आइडिया है ऑल ड्वार्फ्स थिएटर. ये अपने आप में एक चमत्कारी आइडिया है. कैसे मन में आया?
ये सब लोग पूछता है. ये बहुत ही आसान है. मैं नहीं करता तो कोई ना कोई कर ही देता. पहले कर दिया थोड़ा सा. हम सब वही करते हैं. कभी कभी हमारा जो इंसानियत है वो भूल जाते हैं. जैसे आपको देखते हैं तो हाय हेलो नमस्ते करते पहले, लेकिन उनको देखते ही हम वो कहाँ से आया, तुमने शादी किया, क्या नाम है तुम्हारा, तो ऐसे बिहेव करने लगते हैं उनको. बट एक्सेप्ट द हाइट. उनका अगर हाइट को अगर हम छोड़ दे, वही कर सकते हैं. आप जैसे बोल रहे हो वो लोग बोल सकते हैं. जो हम करते हैं वो भी कर सकते हैं. और प्रूफ किया. हमारा प्रोजेक्ट में अभी एक ये भी हम लोगों ने शुरू किया है, ड्वार्फ विलेज. इट्स लाइक मोनफोर्ट सेंटर और एसओएस विलेज जैसे होता है.
यू स्टार्टेड अ ड्वार्फ
विलेज. यस. जहाँ पे वो लोग रहेंगे, उनका पढ़ाई, बहुत लोग पढ़ाई छोड़ दिया था, उनको हम लोगों ने पढ़ाई का व्यवस्था किया. वहाँ पे रहते हैं हमारे साथ अभी. और अभी जो ये एनवेलप में है, इसको मैंने खत्म करके आया एक्चुअली. जैसे ये अनाउंस हुआ था तब से मैंने बैगदाद में चेक लिखना शुरू कर दिया वहाँ पे. तो एक हमने स्टूडियो थिएटर वहाँ पे शुरू कर दिया. एक ऐसे ही हमारा बेम्बो का कंस्ट्रक्शन था, उसको तोड़ के हम लोगों ने अभी 30 बाय 30 फीट का एक घर बनाया जिसमें पानी नहीं टपकेगा अभी कम से कम. तो ये काम हम लोगों ने करके आया और ये लाइफ टाइम प्रोजेक्ट है.
जैसे आपको पता चला कि चेक आ रहा है, आपने काम शुरू कर दिया,
खत्म भी कर दिया.
अरे वाह, वेरी गुड, वेल डन, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
थैंक यू,
मेनी मेनी कांग्रेचुलेशंस, वेल डन.
यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं आमिर जी. अननोइंगली ही इज अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर प्रोजेक्ट. आपके बारे में काफी बातचीत हुई, तो आ जाइए कभी अगर मौका मिले तो. डेफिनेटली वो खुश हो जाएंगे सब लोग. थैंक यू.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next real hero is Bharat Patel. Can we have you on stage, please, Bharat Patel?
Bharat Patel. Bharat Patel has made it his life's mission to fight for the rights of fishermen. He's a one-man army fighting huge industries that are threatening to wipe out large settlements in Kutch.
बोला था कि आपको जला देंगे, लोग हैं काफी सारे साथ में, तो फिर डर कैसे?
Saving the fisherman community from exploitation by middlemen to bringing the government's attention to this forgotten community, Bharat Patel is Kutch's real hero.
Every time we come to Mr. Mukesh Ambani giving the awards, we always find some Gujarati somewhere there in some part of not too far away from Jamnagar, or certainly in Kutch in this case, doing great work among fishermen. आप इंडस्ट्री से लड़ना चाहते हो या उनके साथ काम करके आगे बढ़ना चाहते हो?
हम लोग इंडस्ट्री से लड़ना नहीं चाहते, मेनली हम लोग लोगों के राइट बचाना चाहते हैं, उसके लिए फाइट कर रहे हैं और आज काफी कुछ अचीव किया है। वहीं पे जैसे मुंद्रा में जो पावर प्रोजेक्ट और पोर्ट्स की वजह से जो खत्म होते जा रहा है फिशिंग कम्युनिटी पूरा, तो आज काफी कुछ आगे बढ़ा है। जो मैंने देखा है आज 10 साल में कि जो कम्युनिटी खाकी कपड़ों से डरती थी, वो आज कम्युनिटी जाके मिनिस्टरों के सामने या ब्यूरोक्रेट्स के सामने जाके अपना राइट्स मांगती है, तो काफी कुछ हुआ है।
कुछ कहना चाहेंगे मुकेश भाई को?
बस उतना ही कि पॉल्यूशन मत करो और ये जो लोग हैं उसका भी राइट बनता है।
You want to respond?
एकदम नहीं एकदम सही है। और जो जामनगर में काम हो रहा है वो ठीक ही है। और राजदीप से मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि जर्नलिस्ट का काम लोगों को जोड़ना है, तोड़ना नहीं।
Ladies and gentlemen, our next real hero is Yogesh Kumar. Can we have you on stage, please?
Yogeshwar Kumar. 3 decades ago, an engineer from IIT Delhi decided to electrify the rural areas of Uttarakhand. A simple technology in which turbines run on snow-melting waters to generate electricity. Over the years, Yogeshwar has brought light to over 15 villages. A simple idea, a selfless approach, an inclusive project. This has been one man's recipe to light up hundreds of lives.
You know, every year on this program, another theory is busted that IITians only go abroad. There are obviously IITians who decide to stay on and make a difference, in your case, to rural Uttarakhand.
Definitely, we have a lot of things to do. In fact, seeing Amir Bhai, we just showed Lagan recently, while I was doing a training program for power plant operators for the government and also our plant operators, and just wanted to show them how people can get together and do a great thing for themselves.
Well, there are many more stories, I hope, like you, and many, many congratulations to you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Yogeshwar Kumar. Ladies and gentlemen, time now for our last real hero this evening, Bagambar Patnaik. Can we have you on stage, please?
Bagambar Patnaik. It was a shameful tradition. In the name of Bartan, 5 lakh Barber families of Odisha were forced to wash the feet of the upper caste members during marriages. Refusal invited ostracism.
Everyone has the right to live with dignity.
Bagambar Patnaik, a retired school teacher, spoke out against the evil practice. He was disowned by his own community and arrested on false charges. But his fight in courts and before the State and National Human Rights Commission resulted in the Odisha government banishing Bartan as an illegal practice.
Have you been able to succeed in ending the practice by which Dalits had to wash the feet of the upper caste, or does it still exist?
Thanks to National Human Rights Commission, only for them, Government of Odisha has no alternative than to issue notification abolishing Bartan system. And now 17 persons have been issued release certificates, and by the order of the Honorable Odisha High Court, 1600 bundle laborers are going to be released. And thanks that in Odisha alone, 5 lakh bundle laborers are to be released.
Magambar Patnaik, for your struggle and your fight and your successful fight, many, many congratulations. Mukesh Bhai, what started off 5-6 years ago as an idea is slowly becoming a movement. Are you convinced that there are more and more real heroes who can be found out there, who can inspire a new India?
Without any doubt, Rajdeep. And in the Jodo spirit, just see after Real Heroes, right? On every single channel, how many people have followed you? So
That's right.
How many of such similar programs have happened? And you were really the first to start thinking about this. So that's the Jodo spirit. And I think what we should all take away from this is that there is a real hero in each and every one of us. And if we can, through medium, through communication, and through such inspiring stories, really bring out the real heroes in 100 crore Indians, India is then unbeatable, and this generation will do it.
For us, it's been a commitment to inclusive, positive journalism, and to have you being part of this journey has made it all the more memorable for us. So thank you for being part of it. Let's stay with it. And usually when a Sachin Tendulkar scores 100, he goes on to score a double century. So we have to at least find 200 real heroes. That's our next target.
समाज सेवा दूसरा कुछ नहीं होता है, जीवन जीना लेकिन दूसरों के लिए।